Hey guys, I was on Facebook Marketplace a few months ago and I came across this ad for a blown up Thumpstar for $200. I didn't have much happening that day, so I thought I'd go for a drive down, take a look at the motorcycle. Got down there, offered the guy $150 for it, and he said I could take it for that, so that was all great. The only thing was that I was in a Toyota Corolla that day and I didn't have a lot of room in the back of the car to fit the bike, but with a bit of effort, managed to squeeze it in there. It's only like a half an hour's drive, so it was all good. Got home, pulled it out of the car, had another good look over it, and everything on it seemed pretty good. Like the rims were good, the suspension was solid, the muffler was good, plastics were in decent shape, the brakes worked. There was not a hell of a lot wrong with it apart from the motor not having any compression whatsoever. It had really good spark, but just no compression. There's no way it would start. So I took it up to the shed to see if I could work out what was going on. So here we can see what was going on. The cylinder is very damaged. Piston didn't look too crash hot either. Very sad looking. So I went online to see what I could do to get this bike going again, and I came across this 125cc Lifan motor for $320 delivered. I thought for $320, a brand new motor, why not give it a try? So it bolted straight in, not a lot of problems doing that. Put some oil and petrol in it, kicked it over a few times, and it started up straight away. So for under $500, I ended up with a half decent pit bike with a brand new motor. Just very happy with the way this project turned out, and Lifan motors, pretty good for the money, good value for the money. I thought, been riding around for a few months now, and hasn't let me down. So recommend them.